Hello guys, welcome to my channel again, and this time I'm actually doing some experiments. So I thought I should add you guys into this experiment so that you guys can also see what I'm doing. And the guys, my ultimate aim is to create a software which can remove background from which can actually remove background and add whatever the type of background you're looking for. So I just open few images here. Okay, and I was actually searching the image. So I download few images here like this one. Let me show you bird image. And so I'm going to use this for let me download another image for you guys. I'm actually little bit wonder. So these days I'm actually wondering what's going on and how far life goes. So okay, so I'm going to use this image. So click on the save no so save image. Okay, so guys, here my image, sample image. Okay, so this sample image is here. Let me put here this image. Okay, now it's time for in range of 17. Change image label C. I'm actually doing this experiment since couple of minutes. So okay guys, okay, now everything is okay. Okay, so now I'm going to run this experiment. Hope this will work. I don't know. I'm testing it. So although I gave this script name testing underscore idea, and let's see how this idea will work. Okay, guys. So here the output is showing something. Okay, guys. Okay, here I am, and where is my hair? Okay, let me put my hair also. Just a second. Just a second. Okay. Let's see. Okay, yeah, here I am. My hair, let me move little bit down so that my hair will look everything is okay. Um, I think there is few portion is missing on this software, so let me make little bit correct this thing also. So let's see. Hope. Okay guys, so this is the final output. Here you can see how you can create a filter, background removal, available in Zoom and other videos calling software like Microsoft Team, how they created it. And you guys can reach out to me to get this software. And let me show you some other output on some other image like this nature. Save image. The image, these background images I'm taking from iStock. So I would like to thanks iStock to provide such good qualities background images free of cost. Okay, here we go. Now the background is changed. You guys can see. So this is all about today. I was doing this soft experiment, so that, and I thought I should share with you. So bye bye guys, and take care. And if you want this software, just reach out to me. And if you have any other type of requirement, just do let me know. Thank you guys.